How to use contact glue in your cosplay. When working with foam, contact cement is a must-have to glue it all together. There are two different sized cans that you can find at CosplayShop.be. Beware that once you open the can, you have a few months left for you to work with this glue. The better you seal up the can again, the longer your glue will be usable. If your glue changed color and isn't as liquid anymore, you probably shouldn't use it. To apply this glue, it might be a good idea to use a squeezy bottle. Not only is it easier to apply, but it also makes you open the can less. Just make a funnel using a sheet of paper and pour it in. To glue your foam together, you can just apply it using your bottle and spread it out using a stick or another piece of scrap foam. Make sure that you don't use too much or too little and spread out the glue evenly. Also make sure that especially your edges are glued together well. You will have less fill work in the end. Just apply on both the sides that you want to glue together and wait 2 to 4 minutes. Once the glue is tacky, press the two sides together firmly and you are done. Your edges can also be smoothened out with a Dremel or even with some quick seal. Sometimes it will also happen you have glue on places you just don't want it to be. If you are quick, you can just remove it with a bit of painter's tape, and if you are a bit late, it can still be removed with some acetone. Glue marks will always be visible, even when painted, so I highly recommend removing the excess before priming anything. Also beware that when you heat seal your foam, do not apply too much heat on your seams, since the glue might loosen up again. I also don't recommend using this glue in a cold or freezing work environment. The glue will set 10 times faster, but the bond will also not be as strong as you'd want it to be. So, room temperature is the way to go. And that's pretty much all you need to know about contact cement. If you have any questions, you can just ask them in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.